how to log into DMU or De Montfort University account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. And after that, on the search URL, type in DMU University login. Press enter. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now head over to the first link that says www.dmu.ac.uk or my DMU. Now once you land on the official website of De Montfort University, scroll down a bit and there you will get a button that says access my DMU. Click on that. Now you have to select your profile. If you are a student, select student, or if you are staff, you can select staff or guest user. So select according to your profile, and once you select, you will be taken to login page. So first of all, enter your valid username associated with your account. Under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgotten password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. And after you type in your username and password, click on sign in button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log into De Montfort University account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.